Okay, hello there everyone, and today I'll be simulating the peltier model system in a polystyrene casing. This is a small scale, it's not as the casing system that Group C have done, but testing and to simulate how the results that we will get at three different marks, which will be the 2-minute marks, the 5-minute marks, and also the 10-minute mark. So as you can see, the peltier model is surrounded by a polystyrene casing, and this is actually the temperature sensor, if you can say that. And how I will test this is if I push it down a little like here, I am able to test the temperature at the surface of the peltier model. And if I let the wire go, I'll be able to measure the ambient temperature. So at the start, the ambient temperature is 31 degrees Celsius. So I'll meet you at the 2-minute mark to see the difference of the ambient temperature and the surface of the peltier model. Okay, we are at the 2-minute mark of the system running. You can see we are running at around 12 volts, which is the optimal voltage for the peltier model. And if you look at the ambient temperature is actually dropped by 1 degree Celsius. And if we check the surface of the peltier model, we are able to get a temperature between 5 around 5 and 4 to 6 degrees Celsius at the 2-minute mark of the surface of the peltier model. So that is the result as of now, and I'll meet you at the 5-minute mark. Okay, we are here at the 5-minute marks, so let's check on the ambient temperature, shall we? So the ambient temperature seems that it has dropped by 1 degree Celsius somehow, from 30 degrees Celsius to 29 degrees Celsius. So let's check on the temperature of the surface of the peltier model. It seems to have, or is starting to drop a bit more. As you checked just now, at the 2-minute mark, it was showing around 4 to 6 degrees Celsius. And after the 5-minute marks, it seems that it is able to drop to around 2 degrees Celsius. But the same with just now, it is still under the 10 degrees Celsius mark, and it is able to maintain at that temperature. So I guess we will meet again at the 10-minute marks to look at the final result of the simulation. Bye bye. So we are back at the 10-minute mark. So this will be the final reading of our simulation. So as you can see, the ambient temperature is now, oh yeah, it's at 29 degree Celsius, but it is starting to get a little bit warmer inside the casing, so it's starting to go up the temperature. However, let's check on the surface of the peltier model. At the surface of the peltier model, we are still able to maintain temperature below 10 degrees Celsius. So yeah, it's around 5 to it is able to drop around, for the lowest to be around 2 degrees Celsius, but around for the range around 5 to 7 is the main stable temperature of the surface. So that's the result at the 10-minute mark. Should we try 15-minute mark? I think we will try an extra 5 minutes more to see if the ambient temperature does increase above 30 degrees Celsius or not. So I guess I'll meet you guys then. So we are finally at the 15-minute marks here, and then if you look at the ambient temperature after it has been running for around 15 minutes, it's between 29 to 30 degrees Celsius. so the same as the 10-minute mark. And if we test the surface of the Peltier model, even after 15 minutes we are still able to maintain the surface temperature of the Peltier model. So yeah, as of now, that is our results as of now. Thank you for watching the video.